A 3.8mm shovel-type drill guide was used to create a bone tunnel along the outer edge of the humeral head, articular cartilage, until the marked line is flush with the bone surface. Implant the SwirlFix anchor at a 45 angle to the long axis of the humeral shaft until the marked line is flush with the bone surface. Untie the high-strength suture and remove the inserter. Implant another medial row anchor. Remove one high-strength suture from each anchor and retain sutures of different colors to facilitate suture management. Pass the high-strength sutures through the supraspinatus muscle using a mattress suture technique and pull the tendon to reduce it to its insertion site for knotting. Outside the body, pull the blue and white high-strength sutures through the suture hole of one lateral row anchor. Use a drill guide to create a bone tunnel at the outer edge of the footprint area and implant the lateral row anchor until the main anchor is flush with the bone surface. Note that the suture can be pulled outside the body to adjust the tension at this point. Percuss the proximal end of the insertion instrument to drive the barbed main anchor into the bone tunnel until reaching the marked line on the insertion instrument. Remove the insertion instrument, trim the excess suture, implant another lateral row anchor transversely, and repeat the previous steps. Use a 4.5mm drill guide to pre-drill a hole at the outer edge of the humeral head articular cartilage. Rotate the proximal end of the inserter to implant the medial row anchor preloaded with suture tape until the anchor is flush with the bone surface. Implant an anchor preloaded with suture tapes of different colors transversely, then remove the inserter and the traction suture. Pass the suture tapes through the supraspinatus muscle respectively and pull to reduce the tendon to its insertion site. Cut the proximal end of the suture tape loop to separate the suture into bundles. Implant two lateral row anchors at the outer edge of the footprint area and trim the excess suture tape.